Hello guys, welcome back to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, I'm showing you how to share real-time location on Google Maps. So launch your Google Maps on your smartphone, move your thumb straight to the upper right corner of the interface and tap on your profile picture right over here. From the account utility menu drawer, locate and tap on location sharing, this one right here. And this pulls open your centralized tracking control deck where you can manage who sees your location in real time. And now we can configure your tracking boundaries. So tap on the share location button, this blue one. And then you can, as you can see, scroll through the contacts row and select your friends. And then tap more options to extract a secure, copyable link string layouts. So as you can see, we can just send this to a person. You can also choose more and choose some kind of other email. Also, we can just message, as you can see, someone else. For example, you can just send a message through your SIM card or share it in some app like Facebook or Instagram. And then when a person clicks that link, they accept that they can now pretty much track you in real time. And then they see where you are. And also, as you can see, your real-time location can be shared timely. So you can set for how long they can track you. For example, 1 hour is fine, or until you turn this off. So pretty simply done, guys, as you can see. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe.